Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I got a new mold, of course. What else is new around here? It's a beautiful butterfly. I'm not sure how new the mold itself is to the world. I will say I don't think I've ever seen it before I saw it and bought it. But, you know, it is new to me at least. So, I asked my darling youngest child to pick out the colors that he would like to see in this butterfly, and he has chosen cyan, pink color paste, and coffee. Those are the colors that he has chosen for this mold. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this and make it look good. I don't know. What I might do is use the coffee to dust for the body, the head, and perhaps the antenna. Maybe I can get in there for the antenna. And then mix up the cyan and the pink and do like a pink here, cyan there. Just see how that works. Or maybe do pink on the outside and cyan on the, I don't know. It's an experiment for him, I guess. He's testing my color theory right now. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and make this butterfly beautiful. I'm sure it will be. So, anywho, I'm warming up my resin now. Go ahead and dust some of the brown. And, yeah, we'll see how this works, okay? All right, hang in there with me, please. I need you on this. All right. Alrighty then. Should we see how it turned out? I mean, it looks interesting from the back. Oh, sorry about that. No need to alarm anyone. Okay. There we go. Wow. Yeah, okay. I gotta say, I'm not mad at it. Still not the colors that I would have picked, but I don't know, it's really cool looking. What do you guys think? Very interesting. I am happy about my choice to paint the body and the antenna brown. I think I should have painted like maybe some of these flourishes brown as well to match the body. But other than that, it's really cool looking. Yeah. Very interesting. I'm also noticing, maybe you guys can see it too, but like the inset, so like this part is higher than this part, right? So this part is matte, whereas this part is glossy. Yeah, you can see it right there. That's really cool. I like that kind of detail. That's awesome. Anyway, yeah. So that is today's video. I really like this one. I went on Amazon last night to look at this mold to see if anybody had posted how much resin it needs. It needs about 200, I think. If you're going to get it, I would suggest 250, but, you know, mix up 250 just in case. But yeah, it needs about 200. And they have all kinds of different molds. They have a different butterfly mold. They have turtle molds. They have dragon molds, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. I like it a lot. I'm very happy with this one. So anyway, that's today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.